ThatGuyDamonJ. 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 ThatGuyDamonJ.
Good morning, famers. So I am downstairs in my apartment building, and as you can see, the snow has got real. And this is in the garage. This is not even outside. So I'm going to attempt to go outside because I have to go to the store to get, oh shoot, I don't have my keys. You know what? Let me see if the store is even open is the thing. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at it. Hopefully the store is open because we definitely need some stuff. We're one of the people that did not go to the store. Oh shoot. Let me hold this camera. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Look at it. I can't see if the store is open. Matter of fact, I'm going back. Oh, I'm going back. I have to go through the garage. Because I can't even go through this way. Oh, God. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going to have to go to the garage. All right. In my car, right, we have an under garage or whatever that we have for our car, but look at under the garage. This is my car right here. Look at this. Now, it's not as bad as probably if we were out there on the street, but I have to walk all the way around. As bad as if we were on the street, this Porsche chilling in the snow. I can't get in my car. Look at this. Okay. But this is the only way I can get out. Oh, as if I use my garage door opener. Whoa. I love you guys because I'm taking you on this snow journey that I'm on. Whoa. Oh gosh. Walk to the garage door. Can't do it, yeah. Oh, it's the store open. I see people with bags. I'm about to walk right through the street. Go to the store. Oh. Yep, when the store is open, you can, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. This way is better. That snow is like going right in my face. You see this, guys? Alright, I'll be back. So, the snow is not that bad coming this way. It's going the other way because it's where the wind is blowing. So the store was open. Thank God the store was open. So I just got some. We're gonna order Chinese food because you know Chinese people, they don't care about no snow. So they will deliver no matter what. Now we probably gotta give them a good tip, but it's the only way that we're gonna make it through the storm because I'm telling you now, I'm not coming back outside. It's not going down. And I don't have to shovel no snow. That's what the building, that's what I paid this rent for them to shovel. So I'm trying to figure out. But yeah, no, they're gonna shovel this snow. I'm not beat. Now I'm walking through this. have my whoa. I don't have my key to get through the garage. So here we go. Whoa. This is ridiculous. I could be a weatherman. I actually like being out here in the snow like this. Come on, reporting to you live from Elizabeth. No, I'm just playing. Listen.
Get back to that place.
What up, famous? Listen, it was a struggle. Teenagers back there. Okay.
As long as you have that voice.
It was a struggle. We made it to the hotel. It I hope it didn't see it. It literally took us an hour and about 10-15 minutes to get to somewhere that usually takes about 10 minutes.
Put the cup down and wait a minute.
This is ridiculous. I'm gonna show y'all outside. Hold on. Look at that. That's outside the hotel. We came to the hotel to meet Tanisha because she was. Here goes Jace again. Hold on. Because she was stranded with no food to eat. No, wait. Okay. Okay. She was stranded with no food to eat. Yeah, so we got in the car, but it was bad. It was very bad, but we made it. What are you eating? Be nice with the potato chips. Oh yeah. So, shut up. I don't say potato chips. That is not what I say. Is that what I say? I said potato chips. Potato chips. Why? Because I'm saying I don't say potato. That's what they want. They want me to be country and be like potato chips.
No, just say chips.
I'm not saying potato because it's not potato. It's potato.
I didn't say you say potato. Who says that? I don't say that. I just say chips. You said potato chips.
Speak.
You hear me speak?
He always tell me to speak.
Today you
I can't stand him. Oh, we're sitting here also watching the Toni Braxton movie. It's actually pretty good.
Why you didn't tell us we could have jumped out the window? We said jump past them.
Oh. We did pass them.
Look outside my house.
Yeah, we're watching the Toni Braxton movie. It's pretty good. We're actually on text message, a group text message.
Now these are times when
And
glad you live in a complex.
hold on.
Mommy.
Yeah, they plowed us up.
God knows I know. That God knows always makes me. There's never a time that God knows.
This is
Yeah, which side is it?
God knows.
my mother's front door. You see? Oh yeah, I see my Irish chestnut. Because everybody in my phone is stars. So my mother's Oprah, Tanaja's Nene Leakes,
Mommy said I did.
Katab. Hold on. Katab is Marvis Chestnut, Pernell is Deidre Cadden, things like
Jace,
that.
put down and wait a second.
Hold on, y'all, I'll be right back. We gotta say something I kept on saying. So now I'm back again.
I told her, I said I didn't know how you. I said I could sleep on a rollaway bed. I can
We're
either
trying to
sleep
figure
on
out
a
our
rollaway
sleeping
bed and put
situation.
one of the boys on there with
Journee's
me. I
already
said,
asleep.
or if you don't want to be in the bed with one of the
Jace,
boys that they with Journee because they move around so much. I said I know if you want to be on there with Journee by yourself.
Yeah, y'all can sleep alone there.
I was like I didn't know because
So yeah.
I feel like it might be a lot of y'all in bed with Journee.
So the good part of this is that it's breakfast in the
So I
morning.
said then I
So
might leave
we're gonna have breakfast.
in the bed.
Yeah.
Yes. With me and you and JC. So mommy and Journee is gonna sleep in that bed. It's gonna be right next to
I'm
us.
about to lay y'all on it though for now. Because y'all going to sleep. Y'all get on my nerves.
Right. So it's only 10 o'clock, but yeah, I'm gonna be asleep soon. I think the only thing is the internet in here is very, very slow. So I'm actually uploading a vlog now,
Get down.
which will be the one before this vlog. And then Yeah, y'all see I broke my camera? I'm gonna get it fixed though. At some I'm gonna get it fixed, but I definitely broke my camera. Actually, I didn't break the camera. Let's be clear. I didn't break the camera. I broke the lens because the one that I don't have a G7X. I have a Sony A5100. So the lens comes off, and I broke the lens because I dropped it. I already told you how I dropped it in the last vlog. So yeah. Yeah, the lens is broke, not the what's name, so I'm gonna take it to this place in Elizabeth, and they said they can fix it. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, it's just taking so long to upload this vlog, so I'll probably just let the computer sit here so I can upload the vlog. And then tomorrow, I don't know. I might do something else while I'm here. I might as well record because yeah, I have nothing else to do. So we'll see. So yeah. So all right. I will see y'all guys later. Don't forget, not your time. It's your life. Choose your direction. Peace.
Don't let them take it from you. You shine, be who you are, you the truth.